Hey everyone, welcome back. In the last video I showed you how filters protect your money by skipping bad trades. Today we're taking it a step further. We're going to put AI filters head-to-head against human emotion. Because here's the truth. Humans trade on feelings, bots trade on logic, and I've lived this firsthand. I've overridden bots with my emotions and I've seen the results. Spoiler, the bot usually wins. So in this video I'll break down the exact filters I use, entries, exits, stop losses, take profits, how those compare to what I do emotionally in the same situation, and real lessons I've learned when I ignored the bot and listened to my gut instead. Quick reminder, this is not financial advice, I'm just sharing my journey and the lessons I've learned the hard way. Let's start with the human side. Me, the emotional trader. Here's how it usually goes. I see a coin pumping. My gut says, get in now, don't miss it. I buy without checking volume, spread, or market structure. If the coin dips right after, I panic. I either sell for a loss too soon, or I hold and hope it recovers. If it goes up, I get greedy and don't take profits thinking it'll go higher. That cycle is fueled by FOMO and fear, and that's how most traders lose. I've done it, you've probably done it, and it's what bots are designed to prevent. Now let's look at entries. My bot uses filters like trend check, only trade with the larger trend, not against it. Momentum filter, is momentum actually building or is this a dead bounce? Volume check, no trade without strong volume backing the move. Spread check, skip if the spread is too wide and fees eat the profit. Pullback entry zone, wait for price to pull back into a safe zone before entering. When all those align, the bot enters calmly, without hesitation. Now compare that to me emotionally. I see a green candle and I jump in at the top, I ignore the volume, or worse, I assume volume is coming later. I buy too early on weak setups just because I'm bored or impatient. The difference is clear. The bot waits for confirmation, I chase out of fear of missing out. Next, let's talk stop losses. My bot sets a stop loss filter every single trade. For example, 1.3x ATR, average true range, under entry, or a fixed 30% max drawdown depending on config. The bot doesn't care if it gets stopped out, it just takes the loss and waits for the next trade. No drama. Now me, as a human trader? Different story. I widen my stop because maybe it'll bounce, or I don't set one at all, convincing myself I'll exit manually. Then when it dumps, I freeze. Instead of exiting, I hold and watch a small loss turn into a disaster. The bot protects capital, but emotion tells me to gamble with it. Here's another big one, take profit. The bot uses clear rules. Partial take profit, for example, sell 60% at 2x risk. Trailing stop, move the stop higher as the trade runs. Fixed TP levels like 2.12x ATR from entry. That means when the trade hits target, the bot locks in profit automatically. If price keeps running, the trailing stop captures more. If it reverses, I still walk away green. Now me emotionally, total opposite. If the trade is green, I get greedy. I think, let's hold, maybe it'll double. I don't take profit when I should. And then, I watch the trade reverse and erase gains. The bot takes consistent singles and doubles. I swing for home runs, and often strike out. Exits are another area where AI wins. The bot has clear exit filters. Exit if momentum collapses. Exit if trend shifts against the trade. Exit if volume dries up. Or just exit at the max hold time, say 140 hours. It doesn't hesitate. It doesn't second guess. Me? When fear kicks in, I exit too early. I see a little red candle in an uptrend and I sell, only to watch price continue higher. Or worse, I freeze and don't exit at all when the bot clearly would have. The bot exits on logic, I exit on fear. Let me give you one real example. The bot skipped a trade because trend underscore OK equal sign false, momentum underscore OK equal sign false. I thought it was being too picky. I entered manually. For a while it looked like I was right. I was up 5%. Then volume collapsed, momentum died, and the coin dumped. I lost 12%. Meanwhile, the bot took no trade and lost nothing. That's the difference. The bot saved me from a losing trade I chose to take because of emotion. That's when I realized the bot doesn't need to win every trade. It just needs to avoid the dumb ones I would have taken emotionally. Do's. Trust your filters. They're designed to protect you. Always run stop loss and take profit rules. Let the bot follow logic, even when your gut disagrees. Don'ts. Don't override the bot just because you're bored. Don't widen stops out of hope. Don't chase green candles without confirmation. So who wins, AI or human traders? For me, it's clear, the bot. Because while I let fear and greed cloud my decisions, the bot just follows the plan. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be consistent, and that's something most humans can't do. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how I started scaling these bots up, using filters and rules to grow small accounts safely. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment about a time emotion cost you money in trading. And remember, this is not financial advice, it's just my journey.